Today, we're diving into the latest update from Google Lens that lets you search using both your voice and images. This exciting new feature adds a whole new dimension to how we use Google Lens. Let's explore how it works and what you can do with it. Google Lens now allows users to add voice recordings to their image searches. By holding down the shutter button, you can ask questions or issue commands related to the image, providing crucial context to your searches. To use this feature, simply open Google Lens, hold down the shutter button and speak your query. Your voice command appears as a floating text transcription on the screen, and Google Lens will start the search using both the image and your voice input. This update is perfect for identifying objects, finding products, or even getting information on items in an image. For example, you can ask Google Lens to identify a dish in a restaurant, or find stores selling a particular product you have a picture of. While this feature is a game changer, it's not perfect. Our tests showed mixed results, with some queries answered accurately while others were off the mark. It's still a great tool for adding context to your searches, even if it occasionally fumbles. This update is rolling out as a server-side push, so make sure your Google Search and Lens apps are updated to the latest versions to enjoy this feature on your Android device. That's it for today's video on the latest Google Lens update. What do you think of the new voice and image search feature? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.